stop.
Stop. Oops, clear.
Tu vois, ça me manquait un peu d'avoir une belle vue normale comme ça, tu vois.
Une vue aérienne, quoi.
Ouais, tu vois, c'est beau ça, hein. C'est beaucoup plus beau par là qu'on était hier matin, je trouve. Even like this is nice, huh? You know, the movie, not for the TV, but I think this one can be very nice also. J'ai pas l'impression qu'on a vraiment fait bien les, tu sais, toutes ces formes, toutes ces...
De quoi le...
Ça, c'est large, tu vois. Je me demande si vous n'auriez pas intérêt à faire ça tout à l'heure. Ou alors juste avant de démonter, faire un petit coup sur le coup de 3 heures, un truc comme ça, qu'est-ce que t'en penses?
Pas de problème, on peut, hein. On refait de la même altitude, quoi.
Ouais, très haut, tu vois. On était à 1 heure de vol, tu vois, pour aller faire ça. Juste avant de démonter, vous dormez, puis juste avant de partir, quoi, un vol assez tôt, tu vois.
Ouais.
Okay. I think, Peter, we're going back. But what perhaps I want you to today, before to, because something I think we are missing is a very high...
Over 129.44 for Cafe 261, goodbye.
A flight very high, on this, well, we are now to see everything from the top. I don't think we have done it. What do you think? It can be nice perhaps at 3 o'clock you do 1 hour flying to do very high shot here, around here. Are you okay for you or not?
I guess it is, yeah.
Very high.
Stop recording.
You shoot the one on the back? No?
Non, il commence sur la ville.
I'll shoot to the side here. How about just doing a longer lens? That.
You're not going to put the sun inside? The shot?
Yeah, how about... Stop recording. Oh, okay.
The sun in the shot?
No?
Okay.
No, okay, let's stay out of it.
Okay.
I'll just be on the ground. Okay, stop recording and I'll spin around to the right. Stop.
Important to do the landscape, eh? Where are the building we saw?
Out to the left there at 10 o'clock in the distance, about 4 kilometres.
Okay,
the shadow.
Yeah, I'm going there. We go there?
Okay, well, I'll have to
Okay,
stop.
go.
Yeah. Ah, bug on the lens, right there.
Ah.
Okay, stop recording.
Voilà, là c'est le carouache, hein, aujourd'hui.
Il est bien réveillé, là. Ah, c'est les nuages derrière. Je crois que c'était la merde. C'est les nuages.
Voilà. On pourra faire tout un bonus du DVD avec des nettoyages de boules.
C'est beau d'ailleurs, ça.
Hop.
I'll keep the lens backwards till we get to the little town. Actually, I could shoot to the right, couldn't I?
The people there, I don't know. I see here. Okay, let's go. Can shoot on the back, so.
Okay, stop.
No.
You'll lean sideways.
Fine. Want to go slowly?
Slowly.
No, slowly, my friend, slowly. Not too fast. Okay, got it. Go.
The big town.
What?
It's a big town. It must be all the workers. Once I get full framing, I'll just spin around to the right on them.
I'm surprised there's no satellite on the house. Not like in
Are these full-time houses or just seasonal houses?
I must be full time. There's people who are working here, I think so.
Yeah. But they each have their vegetable, stop recording, vegetable garden and...
I don't know.
well, they're not in their backyards here, see?
At 9 o'clock. Yeah. So many mosquitoes, my God, today. Can see the balls is completely mosquito.
Yeah, you got that. It'll make a mess.
Yeah. Mosquitoes awful today.
Okay, I think that's enough of that bit of landscape. Okay, stop recording.
237 1294. Good day. Bye bye.